like you to join me on a large gas project I was working at in Darwin less than 2 years ago. Over 8,000 men and women all working together and living together with huge budget and time pressures. Talk about stressful. I used to look forward to calling home and talking to the family. Yet my wife was usually too busy. I could hear the kids screaming in the background, and she was feeling the pressure to go and deal with them, run a home and work on her own business as well. Something had to give, so I left the FIFO job and headed home because my wife needed me and I needed them. I'm avoiding tears at that stage, yes. Little did I know, however, that running a multi-million-dollar gas project paled into insignificance when compared to trying to run a household. My youngest was losing his shit and was having to force huge emotional swings. The only option given to us by doctors was drugs and hormone-correcting medication. Brooke, my wife, began researching the benefits of nutrition and exercise as an alternative to drugs. Her decision and our choice was to give the paleo program a go. Paleo, no grain, no dairy, no legumes. It worked. Our son's behaviour improved dramatically. He was able to focus on his sport and on his school and was a much happier kid. His elder sister was also more settled and happier, and both were a lot healthier. The only downside, indeed a major downside, was how to fill them up. Paleo, no bread, no pasta, no rice, no pizza, no pies, no sausage rolls, no wraps, etc. The kids needed more options for their lunch boxes, and that's when I discovered cassava, a South American root vegetable, a lot like a sweet potato. It's the 6th biggest root crop on the planet. It's eaten and produced mainly in the developing world. With a Thermomix, plenty of dud batches, and a lot of swearing to the heavens, I started producing dough. Soon enough, it was edible, and it worked, and my kids and friends loved it. Earth2Plate was born. My first creations were the most amazing pasties and sausage rolls. This environmental scientist turned cook also made tortillas, pizza bases, and wraps. School lunch boxes now come home empty with orders from their mates. At a social breakfast one morning with 4 families after training, we enjoyed cassava wraps with organic bacon and eggs in them. Everyone loved it. Sean McGowan of Montville Coffee fame said, "Sean, you need to get this going. You need to get this going commercial." So he suggested I join FAN and apply for the GrowCoastal program. So here I am. Today we operate out of commercial premises at Carter's Ridge between Karoi and Kenilworth. No more Thermomix on the bench and somewhat less swearing some days, yes. We've nailed our products. Quite simply, our products taste great and we are yet to find anyone who can come up with a reason not to eat them, yet. Yes. Every continent, culture, race, religion, diet and lifestyle choice are catered for. Allow me to repeat that. Every continent, every culture, every race, every religion, every diet and every lifestyle choice are catered for. There are no additives involved at any part of the process from soil to the stomach, or let's say from earth to plate. We provide a gourmet, quick to prepare, healthy option for you and your family from your fridge or your freezer. Every year throughout Australia and Asia, over 150 million tonne of starch products are consumed. So the market is looking promising. With the increase in dietary intolerances and lifestyle choices, the market is looking truly potentially good. The feedback to our product is extremely positive. Some customers have even cried when they realise they have an option for them or their family. Our food is made from scratch. Its integrity can be trusted. It's a single origin produced food from an unrefined raw product, and there's minimum human involvement. I know of no other product which ticks all the boxes that we do. Our focus moving forward will be able to supply cassava gnocchi or cassava parcels. Industry wants our tortillas, flatbreads, pizza bases and wraps to be par-baked. This steps in development. Now our goal is to supply pre-cooked cassava gnocchi or parcels ready to heat and eat. Demand is high. We simply need distributors. Our model is business to business. Earth2Plate is a clean blank canvas for your creations, for anyone, from anywhere, for any occasion. Earth2Plate is just good, clean food. It's a no-brainer.